Okay, today I'll be showing you on how to sell your Hamster token on Binance Wallet. Okay, alright, let's go. You click on the hamster icon, that is the hamster token. Once you click on it, you go to, once it opens, you click on sell. You click on sell. Once you click on sell, once you click on sell, then it will show you the total number of USDT you want to sell. Okay, you put the total worth of the token you want to sell here. If it is $10, if it is 15, depending on the amount you want to sell, and if it is all you want to sell, the total here is written here. If you check below the total USDT, you see that it is written $15 total for the whole 1,730 something. So you put the total USDT you want to sell here, then you click on sell. Okay, once you click on sell, because once you click on sell, Binance doesn't take much. Within 5 to 1 minute, your token is sold. So you have it on your USDT at once. Okay, that's how you do it. That's how you go about it.